Mohammed Mutta Arsiat. I serve as president of the Aceh Community Center in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We stand here today not for the political, but for humanitarian. More than a month after devastation, flood, and landslides struck northern Sumatra and Aceh, thousands of the family remain displaced without enough food, clean water, and shelter. These are mother, children, elderly, father, who deserve dignity and protection. Declare national emergency is not a political statement. It is a humanitarian necessity. We respectfully call the government of Indonesia to declare national emergency and open access to international humanitarian assistance and ensure transparency and accountability so that this tragedy is not repeated. Our message is simple. Humanity must come first. Delay will cost life. And thank you for standing with Aceh. And thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. It's so important that people came out today, and I'm very honored to have this opportunity to say a few words for Aceh, for the people in Aceh, millions of people, 5-6 million people in Aceh, who are being ignored by the Indonesian government. They are not being helped the way they deserve, the way they should be by the Indonesian government. The flooding that happened now almost 2 months ago in November 26, 2025, has destroyed so much of Aceh. And the people there are suffering and they need help. And the Achenese people demanded help. They said, if you're the government, you should be helping. The government sent troops in. Instead of sending help, they sent the troops in. And instead of giving money to the Achenese to rebuild, what they did is they gave money to the military to go in. And Achenese has a long history with this military. The military and the Achenese do not see eye to eye. And there was an MOU, there was a memorandum of understanding that the Achenese have honored and the Indonesian government has ignored. And part of the MOU says that the Achenese can reach out to international agents. They can reach out to other countries and they can have relations with other countries. And they did that. And the Indonesian government is stopping it. The Malaysian government wants to help. Governments around the world would like to help the Achenese. And what do we have instead? We have the Indonesian government and a profiteer of the destruction, the person who is responsible for some of the deforestation of Aceh that has created the flooding, Prabowo. He is saying, no, you can't have relations with other countries. And we will not send help except through the military. And this is wrong. The Indonesian government needs to stand up. They need to allow international aid to be delivered when they are not delivering aid. They need to let the international community help when they are not helping. They need to also address the corruption that has contributed to the deforestation of Aceh, the massive clear cuts which are destroying primeval forests, ancient primary growth forests, destroying them for profits. The yayasan, the Indonesian military is not the solution. There needs to be a return to law. The memorandum of understanding needs to be enforced. Human rights law needs to be enforced. Achenese rights to international relations needs to be honored. We're asking Prabowo, we're asking the Indonesian government to recognize the 5-6 million Achenese people in Aceh who are suffering as people, as their citizens who deserve help. Stop ignoring the Achenese. Honor your commitments. Support the Achenese. Allow international aid into Aceh.